Sometimes you ask yourself the reason why we are suffering, the reason why everybody is chasing one thing, the reason why everybody is trying to survive. Look at this guy that just died now. This Access Bank chairman, one America na California, na helicopter. Ona Afghanian. The man with the fenine. God have blessed the man with so many things, children, wife. The man can travel around the world in 10 minutes and come back. Everything is Janaka. I don't make money every second from my Access Bank. But now, I'm a dead man. That tells you what life is all about. That tells you that this life is all about time. Because Dangote is chasing the same thing as I'm chasing the same thing. Everybody is chasing the same thing at the end of the day. But at the end of the day, life is too short. Life is too short. Life is so precious that you cannot hold everything to yourself. Life is so precious that you cannot handle all these situations to yourself. Look at how this man lost his wife, children, and also him life. He has everything. He is living in a very big mansion. You that's living in a very poor background or a small house, hoping one day you reach the man's level. But at the end of the day, life is too short. Or what am I trying to say? I think about Mbo. I don't do any be because I'm going to watch it no wa. And when you was okay. Nobody have it all. We are still trying to survive. Every Dangote is still fighting to survive. Own all the money in the bank. Own all the money in the bank. Get my health, yeah. Get my family, yeah. I'm gonna pass it through. In my emotional attack. When Afghanian Access Bank chairman, I'm giving my own condolence to the family. But at the end of the day, let's pay attention to our lives, our health. Can I go? Can I want your health? Now I go hospital. Go hospital. Can you look at my camera? Can I go? Can I time for rest? Can I go in the morning? Give a glass of water. Because a lot of people are dying because of some critical things. Let's pay attention to our lives these days. I got this Access Bank chairman no gonna have March or Equity. But then at the end of the day now, I'm going wrong. Whether I like it or not, Access Bank got run on Monday. Access Bank got run on Monday, whether I like it or not. That tells you that this life you're living, it's just a moment. Another person will take over. Another board of trustees will take over the chairmanship of Access Bank, and life continue. That is the fact. So everybody want issue in Azala. In every one Nike, Uchegedia, Makai, and Eguala, Pebigri Baha. Life continue. In where go, never pop intimidate. Ede poor, Oburi, Etademana Musu, ni Kasre, ni one for be a pastor. Life is too short. Life is too short. Upon all the billion, upon all the Access Bank chairman numere. Today, Obugo a dead man. Obugo now. Not only him, wife and children. So in Kobri name, Uchegedia, everybody one issue. Tietuku, Buojuku, put God first. Put God first. Everybody one issue. Maka only was okay. Even Dangote only one child come. I want to them one of 27. I think then we guys here. But Dangote a good no what. kwesịrị ịmụzụ up to 12 children kama na ofu nwaanyị ka o ji ihu na azụ. That tells you that this life is not balanced. Life is not balanced. Let's pay attention to our lives. Let's pay attention to our health. Because at the end of the day, humanity first. Nke ọbụla na-eme in your life, humanity should be the first. Humanity should be the priority. Emere m ihe ọjọọ, ma meghị ihe ọjọọ. That is it. Share this video ka o ruo everybody ntị. Ka everybody man that na life is too short. Eburu ihe ụwa n'isi, eburu ihe ụwa n'obi. Eburu onye na-eme every time you gain everywhere. In life, you win or you lose. Just be compatible with what you have. Trust yourself, believe in yourself, do what is right. Humanity first. Share this video. Daalụ nụ.